Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by choosing where your output will appear and why that matters. Install one library now, pip install Colorama, or add rich if you want advanced styling. Initialize libraries when required, for example, call Colorama. Init on Windows so ANSI codes translate properly. Once done, decide whether you need simple color codes or structured styling like tables and emojis. Make sure your terminal supports ANSI. If not, plan for a fallback to plain text or a library that handles compatibility for you. You now implement the first working examples. Use raw ANSI for quick scripts. Print \x1b32m success \x1b0m for green, but prefer libraries for readability term color. Colored high, green, or from Colorama import 4. Print 4. Green plus high plus 4. Reset. Once done, wrap these into a helper like color text, color so you avoid repeating codes. Make sure to reset styling after each segment, and remember nested styles can conflict, so test combined formats together. You finish by adding advanced options and a clear fallback plan. Switch to rich when you need markup, gradients, or consistent width. It handles conversion on many platforms automatically. For deployment, detect terminal support with OS, ISETI, or environment variables and fall back to plain strings if necessary. If colors don't appear, check that Colorama. Init, ran on Windows, ensure terminals aren't stripping ANSI, and verify remote shells pass through escape sequences. One quick fix is forcing a library that normalizes output.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.